This is a 1997 Mitsubishi Eclipse. I bought it right after high school. The engine started knocking and I parked it over here next to the barn. Thinking about pulling out to make some content. Y'all let me know what you think. It's been sitting here for about 5 years. She's looking a little rough around the edges. I could show you how to do some body work and how to sandblast these rims and repaint them. Show you how to sand down this spoiler, wing, whatever you want to call it, and re-clear coat it. There's a couple of dents and dings here and there that I could show you how to fix. There's a little rust spot over here. Show you how to sand out the rust. Refit the bumpers and everything like that. Do a complete paint job after we rebuild the engine. If this is something that you'd like to look or watch, let me know. We'll pull it out and get started. It does have two different sets of rims. It's got the VSRs and then she's a little rough, but I think we can bring her back around. It's about to storm out here today. Clouds are rolling in. Alright, well, if anybody out there wants to see me rebuild this car, paint it, put some wheels on it, make it look good again, hit like, subscribe, hit that bell button for notifications. Please leave a comment down below, let me know. Thank y'all for watching. We'll see you next time.